on here looking at lesson 12. First problem, music store is marking up their instruments that they're selling by 30%. So if the store is buying the guitar for $45 and they're marking it up 30%, then all you got to do is 45 multiplied by 1.30. That's 30% more than the whole. So 45 times 1.3. They're going to try to sell the guitar for $58.50. So that one's $58.50. All right, let's look at the next one. If the price tag on a trumpet says $104, how much did the store pay for it? So we're assuming that this relationship stays the same, that they're multiplying the old price by 1.3 to get the new price, which is what they're trying to sell it for. So for the first one, we found out that 45 multiplied by 1.3 gave us $58.50. So this one's saying if they're trying to sell this trumpet for $104, what was the price in the first place? So we got to use division to be able to do that type of problem. So 104 divided by 1.3, and that's going to give us the price that it used to be. 30% previous would have been $80. So for that one, we did 104 divided by 1.3, and that gave us our answer, which was $80. $80 is what they bought it for, and they're trying to sell it to us for $104 to get that profit. All right, if the store paid $75 for a clarinet and sold it for $100, did the store mark up the price by 30%? Well, if they did, then we should be able to multiply 75 times 1.3. And let's see if that works. 75 times 1.3. Don't believe this one's going to work. No, it would only have been $97.50. So they marked it up a little bit more. So did the store mark up the price by 30%? No, because that would have been $97.50 if it was truly 30% growth. All right, and that's number one. Let's jump on to number two. Family eats a restaurant. The bill is $42. The family leaves a tip and spends $49.77. How much was the tip in dollars? Okay, well, the tip would be the difference of 42 and 49.77. So you just got to subtract there. All right, and that difference is $7.77. So they left. That's subtraction, sorry, not an equal sign. They left $7.77 in tip. How much was the tip as a percentage of the bill? Well, you can think of it as a table, the tip versus the subtotal or the bill. The comparison here is 7.77 to 42. So you need to find the constant between these two things, like what did I do to that number to find this one, right? How did I get from there to there? And that's just division. And it's got to be smaller than 1, so you put in the smaller number first, 7.77, and you divide by 42, and that will tell you the percentage, which is a decimal move 2 places to the right, or you can multiply it by 100. That'll do that for you. 18.5% tip. And that's number 2.